Hi guys, here we've got Realme 10 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and let's start with the first code, which is *#06#. And here you've got the device information with both unique IMEI and serial numbers included. To close it, just tap on OK. And now you can smoothly enter second code, which is *##, 426, ###. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can read events and also status. If you want to get some more knowledge, tap on more icon and click on advanced view. And here it is. So that's it, that will be all for this code. Another one that you can use is *##, *##, 225, ***. And here we've got the calendar info. So as you can see, all events from every calendar of yours would be included here. From now on, you will not forget about any important event. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.